Hey everyone, welcome back to the dark world. Today, we have got the Infinix Hot 50, a 5G phone. A budget-friendly price. We're going to unbox and reviewing. Alright, let's get started with the unboxing of Infinix Hot 55G. First off, the box is pretty simple, but let's see what's inside. Let's go ahead and open this up. Just a quick cut right here with a knife. Okay, let's remove the stickers of both sides first. Alright, time to see what's inside the box. Here's the phone. It comes with this paper cover showing off the key specs. Let's keep the phone aside and see what's inside the box. 10-watt Type-C charging adapter. And phone support 18-watt fast charge. And here's the booklet with some basic instructions and warranty info. And here's the SIM ejector tool, for when you need to insert or remove your SIM card. And here's the USB Type-C cable for charging and data transfer. And here's the clear TPU case to keep your phone protected right out of the box. Quality of the cases is good. Infinix Hot 55G phone. Let's remove the cover. It comes MediaTek Dimensity 6300 processor, 48MP main camera, and 8MP selfie camera, 120Hz punch-hole display, 17.02 centimeters, 6.7-inch, HD plus display. It comes with 4GB or 8GB RAM, 128GB ROM, expandable up to 1 TB, 5000 mAh lithium-ion polymer battery. The Infinix Hot 55G stands out with a bold and modern design. Features a soft vegan leather finish that not only looks premium but adds grip and comfort to your hand. On the back, you'll see a 48MP dual camera setup with a stylish finish that reflects light. Fingerprint side-mounted fingerprint sensor, built right into the power button. At the bottom, you get a loudspeaker, a USB Type-C charging port, and a 3.5mm headphone jack. Let's open the SIM tray and slide it out. You'll see it holds 2 SIM card slots and a dedicated microSD card slot for expanding storage, making it easy to manage both your SIMs and extra space for apps, photos, and more. The Infinix Hot 55G comes with a flexible TPU case in the box. It's lightweight, durable, and provides a snug fit, offering basic protection from scratches and drops. After inserting the phone into the TPU case, it fits perfectly, providing a sleek look while keeping the phone protected. The case maintains easy access to all buttons, ports, and cameras. Let's on the phone. Once it powers on, you will see the Infinix name. Once it powers on, you'll be guided through the setup process. Select your language, connect to Wi-Fi, and log in to your Google account. And that's it. Your Infinix Hot 55G is all set up and ready to go. Once the setup is complete, you'll be taken to the home screen. Here, you'll find all your essential apps like phone, messages, and camera ready to use. The Infinix Hot 55G has a 120Hz refresh rate, making everything smooth and fast, whether you're scrolling or gaming. The Infinix Hot 55G comes with a 48MP main camera that takes clear, detailed photos in both bright and low light conditions. You can expect sharp images with good color reproduction, and portrait shots look great with nice background blur. Here, you can see photo I'm zooming to check out the camera's performance. Infinix Hot 55G records videos in full HD. The video quality is clear and smooth, making it great for everyday use. The Infinix Hot 55G offers several film options: party, motion, and sports, vintage, travel, etc. You can easily switch between them to capture creative videos in different styles. As usual, several camera options, including portrait, night mode, beauty mode, and AI scene detection. These options help you get the best shot. Tap on More and select Sky Shop. This feature lets you change the sky in your photos by adding beautiful effects, like a bright blue sky or a dramatic sunset. Sky Shop allows you to instantly transform your landscape photos with a stunning new sky. Here you can see sample Sky Shop images. That's it for today's review of the Infinix Hot 55G. I hope you found it helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching, and see you next videos.